Marine environments present an operational paradox. Technicians need a sealant that acts like a permanent structural adhesive underwater, yet remains removable when hardware requires maintenance. 3M Marine Adhesive Sealant 4000 UV is the specific engineering solution designed to resolve this tension. It operates as a one-part gap-filling adhesive sealant. Its functionality relies on Silane Modified Polymer, or SMP. This architecture bridges the gap between rigid polyurethanes and highly flexible silicones. SMP relies on a moisture-curing mechanism, drawing ambient moisture from the air to initiate physical cross-linking. This microscopic chemical architecture dictates its physical properties and strictly defines how technicians must handle the material in the shop. This datasheet shows the baseline composition of the adhesive, noting that the paste consists of 98% solids by weight. An exceptionally high solids percentage guarantees minimal mass loss during the curing process, maintaining exact structural integrity. This dense formulation also yields a very low VOC profile, containing just 16 grams per liter. Once applied, the formulation follows an aggressive curing timeline. It reaches a tack-free state in just 20 to 22 minutes. The full cure parameter is reached at 24 hours under standard conditions of 72 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% relative humidity, yielding a fully waterproof seal. The combination of 98, it maintains validated compatibility across a wide range of marine substrates, including fiberglass, gel coat, teak, mahogany, glass, plastics, and metals like aluminum. Applying a permanent adhesive like 3M 5200 to gel coat hardware guarantees structural destruction when that fitting inevitably requires replacement. 4000 UV solves this through specific mechanical limitation. It is explicitly a medium-strength adhesive, yielding roughly 400 psi in overlap shear. This precise strength rating provides absolute structural hold during high-speed operation, while permitting intentional, non-destructive disassembly later. Professionals can achieve a watertight underwater bond without risking severe gel coat damage during routine through-hull repairs. The cured seal provides high elastomeric flexibility, maintaining a Shore A hardness rating of approximately 40. This precise flexibility dynamically dissipates destructive kinetic energy from engine vibration, hydrodynamic shock, and the thermal expansion of adjacent panels. The SMP chemistry also provides long-term environmental endurance, yielding excellent UV resistance and color stability over years of direct sun exposure. From a workflow perspective, 4000 UV offers a critical cosmetic advantage. Unlike standard marine silicones, this sealant is paintable immediately after application. Water-based paints can be applied while the sealant is still entirely wet. Mechanical durability against the elements and cosmetic finishing are achieved simultaneously, accelerating the total shop turnaround speed. The advanced performance of the SMP matrix carries strict occupational hazard classifications. Under official safety datasheet mandates, this product is classified as a Category 1 skin sensitizer and a Category 1B reproductive toxin. The active chemical hazard driving this classification is diisodecyl phthalate, or DIDP. Acute exposure risks include severe allergic dermal reactions and potential damage to fertility or an unborn child. To eliminate skin contact, technicians are mandated to wear polymer laminate or nitrile protective gloves during all handling. Standard eye and body protection is also required, specifically safety glasses with side shields and a polymer laminate apron. Atmospheric controls dictate that workspaces must be well ventilated, and the inhalation of vapor or mist is explicitly forbidden. This table outlines the specific exposure limits for particulates and organic compounds. If ambient ventilation is insufficient, technicians must use a half or full facepiece air purifying respirator. In the event of accidental dermal contact, immediately wash the area with abundant soap and water, and seek medical evaluation if irritation or a rash manifests. The chemical efficacy of the SMP formulation demands non-negotiable personal protective discipline from the operator. To extract uncured sealant from a joint, technicians must first mechanically remove the bulk of the residue with a dry cloth. This is immediately followed by a wipe down using an approved solvent, such as 3M General Purpose Adhesive Cleaner, toluene, or acetone. solvents are entirely ineffective once the polymer cross-linking is complete. Removing cured material requires extrusion via sander, razor blade, or piano wire. Correctly assessing the state of the chemical cure ensures you can manage cleanup efficiently without scoring or damaging the underlying substrate. Because the adhesive is driven by a moisture-curing mechanism, atmospheric water vapor will prematurely cure any remaining volume inside an open cartridge. To protect the material investment, cartridges must be tightly sealed, kept in a climate-controlled space between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and isolated from extreme heat or ignition sources. 3M Marine Adhesive Sealant 4000 UV is a precision chemical tool that bridges extreme hydrodynamic strength with essential maintenance serviceability. Achieving this balance requires strict adherence to its mechanical limits and safety mandates. Consult the full SDS before deployment.